Well, hello everyone. This is Typhos, also known as Paul Grayson in real life, and I'm the main developer behind CrewGaming.com. This is Dev Diary 1 for Project Glowships, which is probably going to be called Terminal or Terminal 2. It's kind of undecided at the moment. Just going to show you the code for creating waypoints in the pathing system that I've designed for our alien ships. At the bottom here I've got this test function. This isn't going to stay. In this I'm searching through the paths for a path called test, and then when I've found that path I'm adding 3 waypoints to it. And then when I create a new alien via that patch string, I'm just telling it what path that alien is going to follow. And that's about it at the moment. I'll compile the game and show you an example of it running. So here we have the game running. I've for speed just compiled it to HTML5. And what you're going to see is the player ship at the bottom launching from the player's capital ship, and then you're going to see an alien randomly spawn somewhere on the map, and it is then going to fly to, well, what you'll see on the screen is little red arrows. These are just little markers to mark the position of each of the alien ship's waypoints, parts of the path that it's on. So it'll just fly each of these points and then continue off the screen, where it'll be deleted because it's off screen, and then a new one will spawn. You'll also notice all the different bullet patterns that the alien's firing off. This is just, it's going through each bullet pattern one after the other, so as soon as a bullet pattern finishes it advances to bullet pattern 2, just to test the bullets. You'll also notice I've added a bullet grazing system. So if a bullet gets really close to the player, grazes past the player, you'll see little spark effects, and the player will be rewarded by extra bonus points. The whole fundamental point system in the game is going to be based on damage. So even if you don't kill an alien ship, as long as you damage it, you'll get points for the amount of damage that you've dealt. There will of course be some aliens that simply have too big health pools. The player won't be able to kill them at all. That will just be like a sub boss or alien that's put there to soak up tons and tons of damage, give the player a score boost, while at the same time throwing vast amounts of bullets at the player, forcing them to dodge and focus on dodge rather than focus on killing the alien. At the minute this wee alien is immune to all damage, just for the purposes of test. The level that you can see scrolling past is actually stage 2, and I'm still going through the fine tuning phase on stage 2. There's still a few tiles with little graphical glitches that I need to weed out and tweak so that they're not visible anymore. The wee arrows for the waypoints of course won't be visible on any stage, they're just there during the testing process. I think that's about it. Game's getting very close to being in test phase, at which point I'll of course invite some family and friends, get some game testing done, and then we'll go from there. If anyone has got any feedback or suggestions they want to offer, they can do it in our YouTube channel, or you can do it at http://dev.cruel-gaming.com. So either the YouTube channel or our developer blog would be good. And if you're enjoying these videos, then subscribe. That's all. See you in Dev Diary 2.